They told you gold is old news, that it's a relic, a dusty trophy no longer relevant in today's fast-moving markets. But look around. Inflation creeping unseen, currencies wobbling on fragile foundations, geopolitical chaos ripping through economies like a storm with no end. Does that feel safe to you? It shouldn't. You, the founder, the investor, the leader, are drowning in a sea of promises made to keep you calm and compliant while your financial freedom slips through your fingers. Frustration? Of course. Anger? Damn right, there should be. You've been told to trust tech, stocks, digital currencies, things easy to trade, flashy but volatile as hell, at the first sign of a global hiccup. What happens when everything you rely on melts? When paper wealth turns to smoke overnight and you're left holding a cold nothing? This is the battlefield, and ignoring gold, that ancient elemental force, is the dumbest mistake you can make. Gold doesn't spin on a screen. It doesn't crash when code breaks. It's raw, real, and in times of storm, it roars loudest. So why is the world turning its back, chasing the glitter of the new instead of anchoring in the eternal? Because it's easier to be fooled than to confront truths that shake your foundations. But here's what the everyone misses, and you need to hear this like your life depends on it. Gold is the firewall your portfolio desperately needs. Not as a major chunk to forget about, but as the strategic weapon, your hedge, your insurance, your crisis antidote. Don't throw your chips blindly on the latest craze hoping it will save you from collapse. Instead, grab control. Allocate a slice, no less than 15%, to physical gold. And not just any gold, but verified, allocated outside the banking system. Hold it where you can access it, in vaults that don't risk disappearing with the next meltdown. This isn't about speculation. It's about survival. Next, resist the trap of paper gold ETFs that talk a good game but leave you exposed to the very institutions that could betray you. Demand transparency. Know exactly what you own and where it is. If you can't verify it, you don't own it. This is not theory. It's the brutal truth the system tries to hide because it breaks their control when you hold tangible assets outside their web. Then, remember this. Timing is power. Don't wait for panic to hit the streets. Build your position quietly, consistently, as the world fractures around you. Be the calm eye in the storm while others panic, sell, and lose everything. But it's not just about gold itself. It's about what it represents. Freedom. Freedom from the invisible chains of fiat collapse, from fear of market crashes, from puppeteers controlling the narratives of wealth and scarcity. You are not here to serve their illusions. You are here to break them, to reforge your future with tools that withstand breakdowns, betrayals, and chaos. This is how leaders win, by refusing to get caught in the lies, by claiming the right to choose what protects their future on their own terms, by weaving a network of assets and allies that no system can unpick. You want unshakable security in an unsteady world? Here it is. Own gold, physical, consciously, strategically, outside the cages of centralized control. Build your base there so when the currency crashes, when trust evaporates, you stand unbroken. Because gold isn't just a metal, it's your lifeline, your statement, your rebellion against a world that loves to sell comfort while delivering chains. Do this right. Do this now. The system fears it because when you own the truth, beyond paper, beyond lies, you reclaim everything. Now stand up. Act. Secure your future by holding the one asset that's never lost its value through the chaos. Gold. The safe haven no one dared to listen to, until you rise and take it back for yourself.